Hey, remodelers and general contractors, if your ads aren't generating leads like they used to, either on Facebook or Google, don't panic. Let's dive into some quick fixes. First, did you make any recent changes to your ads? Even small tweaks can have big impacts. So consider running an A B test. Two kinds of ads, two images, different captions to measure the effect. Then you have to wait about a month to evaluate because data needs time to mature. Now, if you notice fewer impressions, like the likely culprits could be new competition, seasonal changes, or even daily algorithm adjustments by the ad platforms. Always keep an eye on market conditions and economic factors that could affect consumer behavior. If there is a storm, there is storm damage, then you're likely to get more roof work, which means you should be running roof ads. Now, what if your click through rate is down but impressions are steady? Again, look at market dynamics and algorithmic changes. Seasonal fluctuations and increased competition can affect how many people click on your ads. If your cost per click is going up, yet everything else remains consistent, then new competition in the space might be driving up the bids. Algorithm changes and economic conditions can also be a factor. Now, ever heard of the blue ocean strategy? Instead of fighting over a crowded market, sail down niches that are less competitive but still profitable. Specialize and target ads to a more specific audience like luxury kitchen makeovers or eco-friendly renovations. If all else fails, it might be time to call the experts at Remodeler Digital. We specialize in revitalizing ad campaigns just for businesses like you. So don't lose hope. Advertising landscape shift. The key is to stay agile, keep testing, and adapt your strategy accordingly.